When team doesn't listen to you, when team doesn't do the assigned task that has been assigned to them by you, when they are not able to respect you the way a manager should be respected, this means that they are not considering you as their manager. And this again means that they are actually going through a storming phase. Now, this can happen with the entire team, or this can happen only with 2 or 3 members of your team. Whatever is the case, I do understand that this particular thing and scenario is quite painful. It hurts also. And we can hide these feelings by being very casual, or overly strict with our team. Whereas there is a very simple solution to this. Whenever you find yourself in this situation where either the team member or the entire team is doing things like this, remember that as a manager, it becomes your responsibility to actually conduct lots of one-on-ones with them. They need your time. And in that case, apart from your daily team meetings, team huddles, spend some time with them 1-to-1, which means at least every month there should be 2 one-to-ones with every team member or that particular specific team member. In those one-to-ones, remember that you are totally focused and aligned to the outcome, and the outcome should be related to the vision of the organization, not only towards building the connection or the rapport. Build the rapport, build the connection, but don't forget the goal of the team or the organization in the long run, because that only will matter. Ensure that whatever you are conveying, whatever you are speaking, it should be professional and should be leading from the mindset of your team members' well-being. And no casual talks, no extra humor or humor at all, I would say, in the initial one-to-ones, because otherwise your team members will look for that time when you have one-to-one with them just because they want to do the chit-chat. So this is again, taking you for granted. So don't get into that trap. So there are a few things that you have to do. First is lots of one-to-ones with your team, at least 2 in 1 month with every team member or specific team member. Be focused on the goal of the team, which eventually is aligned to the vision of the organization. Third is no casual talks. Be professional, respectful, and no humor in the beginning. Otherwise, again, you will be taken for granted. Try these things and see how your entire team starts to work with you and gradually starts to work for you. Isn't it an amazing feeling? Don't stop yourself from feeling this feeling. Try these right away.